Hello, my name is Shekhar. Welcome back to my channel SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing, a secret of success. Friends, in my previous lessons, we have discussed a little bit about a noun, a pronoun, a verb and an adjective. Today, I would like to talk a little bit about an adverb. What is adverb? An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, the meaning of an adjective, the meaning of another adverb. Friends, today we have three statements. With the help of these three statements, we can get some idea on adverb. Let's go through it. Let me read the three statements. Thomas speaks fluently, the first one. The second one, Thomas is a very fluent speaker. The last one, Thomas speaks quite fluently. Let's go to the first one. Thomas speaks fluently. In this statement, just forget this one, fluently, just forget it. Thomas speaks. Thomas is noun, speaks is verb, right? Okay, Thomas speaks, but how he speaks? In what manner he speaks? He speaks fluently. Okay, here fluently is adverb because it modifies the meaning of a verb. According to the statement, according to the definition, an adverb modifies the meaning of a verb. Here, fluently modifies the meaning of a verb speaks. Right? Let's go to the next one. Thomas is a very fluent speaker. Again, forget this one, very. Thomas is a fluent speaker. Here, the underlined word fluent is adjective. Thomas is noun, is verb, speaker is noun, fluent is adjective. Okay, Thomas is a fluent speaker, but in what degree he is fluent speaker? In what amount he is fluent speaker? In what level he is fluent speaker? Simply how much he is fluent. Thomas is a very fluent speaker. Thomas is a very fluent speaker. Here very is an adverb because this word modifies an adjective. This word modifies the meaning of an adjective fluent. Okay? According to the definition, an adverb modifies the meaning of an adjective. Let's go to the last one. Thomas speaks quite fluently. Again, forget this one, quite. Okay, Thomas is noun, speaks is verb, fluently is adverb. Here you see, fluently is adverb. Okay, Thomas speaks fluently. Thomas is noun, speaks is verb, fluently is adverb, right? Okay, here fluently is, the underlined word fluently is an adverb, right? Okay, quite. Okay, just forget this one. Thomas speaks fluently, but to what extent he speaks fluently? But how far he speaks fluently? Thomas speaks quite fluently. Okay, here quite is adverb, fluently is another adverb. Okay, here according to the definition, an adverb modifies the meaning of an adverb. Okay, here fluently is adverb, quite is adverb. Here quite, here quite modifies the meaning of another adverb fluently. Okay friends, according to these three statements, we can understand one thing, that an adverb tells us how, in what manner, how much, in what level, in what degree, in what amount, and how far, to what extent. Okay friends, I'm very sure that you have got some understanding on an adverb. Okay, let's meet again with a new topic shortly. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thanks a lot.